using them in a math sentence. What's a math sentence or an expression? Sean? Yep.
Something like anything like addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication happens.
Good. So it looks like this, right? It's a numerical expression. Numerical.
It could be or it could be longer.
Right. This is a short numerical expression. It's using numbers, and it's telling us what to do by the symbol, right? That's a numerical expression. So we're going to take the words. John read 8 books. That's our word phrase. And then we're going to translate it into a numerical expression. We're going to put it into numbers. That's what we're going to learn today. Okay?
I'll get it.
You will.
Like, John read 8 books. A little down. How many more? How many people?
Not being a smart board today. Oh, thanks, Josh. Okay.
How can you translate words to numerical expressions? Think about this question during the lesson.
How can we do that? Sean?
Wait, I gotta read that again.
How can we take words and put them into a numerical expression? Go ahead. Shh. Go ahead, John.
We can translate the numbers into words so we can understand them more better.
Okay. Come on.
I think, this might be a little weird, but I think, we can, what we do, we can put them in patterns.
Okay. Deshaun.
What's numerical expression?
Numerical expression. One of these. It uses numbers, numerical numbers, and it uses a symbol.
Yeah, I don't know.
What's the opposite symbol of addition?
Subtraction.
What's the opposite symbol for multiplication?
Division. I
Good.
thought it was subtraction.
What?
For adding.
The opposite of addition is what?
It's subtraction.
Right, that's what we said.
I think you said division.
Oh, the opposite of multiplication is division.
In a reading contest, Kara read 5 more books than John. What numerical expression shows how many books Kara read?
Okay,
Let's find out.
5 more. What are we going to do? What does 5 more mean? Sage.
It means that she read five. He has a few books, and then she read more books.
More. So what are we going to do? What symbol?
Add.
Add. How many are we going to add?
5.
5. She read 5 more. Cameron.
13.
How do you know how many John has? Have we seen that yet?
At
the beginning.
I just counted them.
Okay.
Right now.
Okay. All right. Good.
What is a numerical expression?
What was the numerical expression?
One of those. A math problem.
A math problem or a math sentence. Yes, Alex.
A number sentence.
A number sentence. Okay, good.
Why do they call it that name? A numerical something.
A numerical expression is made up of numbers and at least one operation symbol.
Okay. Today we're going to use operation symbols of addition and subtraction, okay? We're not going to do the multiplication and division yet. Okay, so John read 8 books.
And she read it.
She read 5 more than John. So how many more did she read? How many books? Shh. Cameron. 13. How did you figure that out?
Wait, I'm thinking.
That's just telling me words. There are no numbers.
I counted.
You counted. Deshaun.
Wait, did he say she read 13?
Yep. John read 8 books and she read 5.
5 more than John.
She has 5 more than John. So what are we going to do to 8?
Add
5.
Makes 13.
Good.
I could have said that myself.
A numerical expression is like a word phrase. What numbers and operation do you think you can use to find the number of books Kara read?
I don't know. What numbers and operation do you think we can use to find the numbers of books? Okay, so when it says more, what would we do?
We would add.
Add. What if it said she read less?
Subtract.
Good. Sean,
Can I say something?
just a second, come on.
Oh, I might forget it.
Did we already answer it? Or do you have a question?
I don't stop. I want to get the question.
Oh, so I'm asking if we had, what operation would we use if it said more? If our word sentence told us more, what are we going to do?
I thought we just answered.
Right. Come on.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, so
I need to explain it
if
to
we
Sean.
added the 5 to that, it'll be 18. And then
Hold on. If you're adding 5 to 8, that's 18.
no, if we're adding the 8 books to the 13. Wait, the kid has 8 books.
John has 8 books.
Yeah, if we add the 8 books to the 13. 1 second. I'm thinking of that. Okay, I'll tell you when I'm done.
Okay. You think about it. We're going to move on. Oh. Did I do too much?
You can use the addition operation and the numbers 5 and 8.
That's what it told us to do, right? Shh. I hear too many voices. Sage.
I got 8. And 5. Oh, I got it.
Good. Happy about that. Yes, London. Do you have a question?
No.
Okay.
It's kind of funny because it does 8 plus 5,
Mm-hmm.
and I did it the same way. I split that 5 into 2 and 3,
Yep.
and I added that 2 to the 8, and I made a combination of 10, and then I added that 3.
Yep, that's what Sage just did. That's what she just told me. Come on, do you have a question? Because we need to keep moving here. Otherwise, we're going to run out of time
No,
today.
I was gonna do my thing.
Okay, do it for me later. Question? We need to keep moving, so only questions right now. It's a method? Okay, we'll work on the methods in a little bit, okay? Because we're going to have some independent problems, and I'll call on you for methods, okay?
How can you write this as a word phrase?
How are we going to write it as a word phrase? Let's change it around. Wyatt, what are we going to do?
You're going to say God read 8. No.
Okay, this entire numerical expression, if we're going to change it, shh,
Oh,
listen, if we're going to change this into words, what would our words say?
8. What would I want to say? That doesn't make sense. I know. 8, 5. My pencil broke. 8, but it works.
Okay, Micah.
What's the one that read
I don't remember her name. Just give her any Cara.
Let's just say Quay.
Good. Sage. Shh.
John read 8 books. Carla read 5 more books than John.
Okay, that's just what Micah said, okay?
No, I'm not.
Okay. Okay, come on.
Okay. You know? Yeah. What happens if you don't add like those up, or do you have to add them up, or do you don't have to add them up?
He's confused what word phrase means.
Yeah, that was.
Oh,
yeah.
word phrase? Okay. Word phrase, it means we're going to put it into the word form. So we're going to take 5. What is the sum? What's the sum mean? Sum. Sean. this.
Okay.
The sum of 5 and 8.
Okay. Now I get
Okay,
it.
that's word form. You're going to write it out. Okay? Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Do we get it now? What's numerical expression?
How
What was the numericals?
About
Shh, raise your hand if you have an answer. Don't just blurt it out. Alex.
a number sentence.
A number sentence. So is it going to look like this?
No. Yes.
Is it going to look like that?
Yes.
Numerical expressions?
And
Excuse me. Wyatt, look up here. A numerical expression has the actual numbers, no words.
I got a
Okay? Does that make sense now, though? Do you get it? Numericals have the numbers.
I was thinking about God has a birthday.
What about it? Then you need to be paying attention because you're off in La La Land.
5 more.
Right, 5 more. If there's more, what are we going to do? Wyatt.
Add.
Add.
And do the sum.
Good.
Capiche.
Could you move it forward? It's not working. Thank you.
You could write 5 more books than the 8 books John read.
Okay, that was one way.
How is the numerical expression different from the word phrase?
What makes them different? Wyatt? What? Say that again.
The second one is
What's the second one? Numerical expression or word phrase?
word phrase is math and news fiction is word. What?
No. Word phrase. What's in a word phrase that's not in the numerical expression?
News.
Sage.
What? What's expressed in numbers? That one's expressed in numbers.
Good.
One that one has and the other one doesn't. That one.
Okay. Good.
That's what I was trying to say.
Oh. Okay. Well, that's not what came out.
Okay.
Okay. Moving on.
Oh man.
The numerical expression uses numbers and symbols instead of words.
Okay. Wyatt, do you understand that?
Okay. Wait.
Good.
Okay. Yeah. I'm on track.
Awesome.
The numerical expression is just a mathematical way of writing the problem.
Okay.
To show the number of books Kara read, answer the numerical expression.
So what was the answer? What would be the answer?
13.
13. That's our what?
Sum.
Sum. Good.
It would be Kaya read 13 books. No, it would be Kara, whatever.
This expression shows that Kara read 13 books.
That's what I just said. I
Good.
thought it was.
What's
In
8
order
plus
to answer
5?
the question, you used a number sentence.
Yeah, the only way you could use how you could use a number sentence.
How is a numerical expression different from a number sentence?
So what makes it different? The numerical expression different than a number sentence.
Just
Yeah.
because with a numerical expression, you don't no, with the number expression you make the what was that thing we did on the board with the number expression?
This is the word phrase. They want to know the difference between a numerical expression, which is this one, and a number sentence.
Oh.
Deshaun.
The number expression has 5 plus 8
it doesn't have the answer, but the number sentence has the answer.
It just has an answer?
And it has a equal.
Equal sign.
Symbols.
The symbol has another symbol and the answer, the sum. Good. Does that make sense? Does everybody see the difference?
Yes.
No.
Well, I do.
Well, yes.
Cat,
The
do you see the difference? What is it?
Is that
Cat.
there's
Not
8 more, there's John has 8 and the other one has 5 and it equals 13.
That was not my question, ma'am. You need to be paying attention. My question was, what's the difference between a numerical expression and the number sentence?
But we just answered that.
I know. I wanted to see if Kat knew the answer.
But I did too.
Excuse the interruption. We're going to try outdoor recess. So bring your coats. If it's too nasty out, we'll bring students in, but it's outdoor recess.
Okay, Kat, what's the difference? Shh, come on.
Okay, sorry.
One equals to 1 dozen house.
Okay, there's an equal sign in here, and what's this? What's this called?
The answer.
The sum.
The sum. That's the difference.
Wait, the difference is the
Just-
A numerical expression does not have greater than, less than, or equal to, while a number sentence does. A numerical expression shows the numbers and operation you need to use to find the answer.
Right?
yeah, but that's
Makes sense?
no. I think
Who's
mine made
confused?
more.
If you're
I think
confused,
mine
pay
made more
attention.
sense to that because that it kind of says.
Shh, just a second.
So much
I'm
more.
distracted by these two. Say again.
I get it. It's just
Oh, you need to look at it your way?
yeah because
Okay.
that it looks too scientific. Too 4th grade. No, I can't do it.
Okay.
I'm doing it though.
Now you know how to translate words into numerical expressions.
Yay.
Entire time.
Okay. All right. We are going to do a couple
Of our own.
together.
I'm a player.
All right. I need you to come sit up here with me, sir,
Why?
because
But I'm paying attention.
you're being distracting is what you're being.
I'm paying attention too.
Good choice, Jonah.
Right here.
All right. Oh, not there yet. So what is the word phrase? What is that? Sean.
It explains the sentence the same way as the numeral one,
Okay.
except as it uses words.
It uses words. Good. So the numerical expression, what was that? Deshaun.
It had the 2 numbers and the 1 symbol.
Good. Good. All right. So let's look at number 1. 18 less than 25. What are we going to do with that one?
Subtract.
You haven't answered.
I can't see.
Then back up a little bit. Sean, what are we going to do?
Numbers apart of that.
Well, what's our numerical expression? What are we going to do? That's our word phrase.
Subtract.
That's our word phrase. What are we going to how are we going to write it in the numerical expression, Sage? We're on number 1, dear. There are new numbers now. What?
We're going to 18 less than 25. That means I think you're supposed to subtract
Okay.
18 from 25.
18 from 25 or 25 from 18?
No.
18, no, 25. 25 minus 18.
Good. 25
8
minus 18. We just want the numerical expression.
equals.
That's what the... Do numerical expressions have the equal sign?
No. Wait,
No.
yes.
No. We want to write the numerical expression. Look at the directions. Write a
No.
numerical expression.
But it's not because numerical expression is word form.
No. Word phrase is what we see.
You're making me confused.
Okay. Okay, what are you confused about, guys?
I'm confused on why. He's making me confused.
Okay. Wyatt, we're going to work on it, okay? Even if it means you have to stay in from recess.
No.
Okay, then pay attention. Okay, Jonah, what are you confused about? Okay, 18 less than 25. So that means we have 25. 25 apples.
Yes.
We need 18 less. So what is our numerical expression going to look like?
25 minus 18.
Good, Josh. Sage. Good. Deshaun.
I don't know what to.
We are on number 1 still. London. Minus 18. Good. Does that make sense? Jonah, are you there? Are you with us now? Yes. Good. All right. We are going to do number 3.
I'm confused with I'm confusing him. That doesn't
Okay,
make
let's look at number 3, Wyatt. Read number 3 for us. Shh. If you can't hear Wyatt, that means you're chatting.
Can I answer it after?
Read it first.
Half of 14.
Number 3.
Wait, the total of 24, 16, and 30.
Well, what does that mean?
They're
all added together.
If you have an answer, raise your hand. Kaylee.
Yes, it does.
The total.
I'm
So what expression are we going to use? Okay, we're going to put it in the numerical expression. Good. What's our symbol? Isaiah. Addition. How'd you know it's addition? The total. Okay, Josh, what's the sentence?
24 plus 16 plus
24 plus 16
plus 32.
plus 32.
That's wrong.
Who agrees with Josh? Victoria and Zoe, you don't agree with Josh? What do you think it is?
I do agree. I was.
Okay, well, we're on math right now, okay? London,
I was
we're not looking for the answer. Read the directions. What are the directions? Come on, read the directions.
the directions are have these two.
You're not paying attention. Zoe,
The total of 24.
you're not paying attention. The directions for 1, 2, and 3.
Right.
Victoria.
Write a numerical expression for each.
Good. So what's a numerical expression? Does it have the answer? Does it have the sum?
No.
Or the difference?
No.
Or the equal sign?
No.
No.
I know the answer to that.
Deshaun,
I don't know how to say that.
numerical.
Numerical expression has numbers and one symbol.
Good. All right. So now does everybody agree with Josh?
Yes.
Wyatt.
Wait,
Who said no?
yeah.
I thought Josh said, someone else said the equal sign, so I thought Josh
Oh,
said.
okay. No, he didn't. All right. Let's do number 8. Number 8. Wyatt and Jonah and Kavan. Number 8. Everybody look at it.
The difference.
If you have an answer, raise your hand. Give everybody else a moment to figure it out. Zoe and Victoria, your eyes should be up there. Difference of 56 and 48. Kat, what does the difference mean? What does difference mean?
Difference means,
What is it?
come on. It's really hard to explain.
Okay.
It's it's like what is difference between each other? Difference means
What is it the answer to? What kind of math problem?
I think it
Isaiah.
the difference between 56 and 48 is 8.
Okay, we're not trying to find the answer. I want to know what the difference means. What is the difference? It's the answer to what kind of math problem, Sage?
It's not a problem when you try to find out what's different about them.
Look back there. Look on the backboard. Subtraction. What is the answer to subtraction problem?
A
Difference. They're all back there. Okay? So, what are we going to do in number 8? What's our symbol? I heard Josh say it. Subtract. Good. Zoe, so what are we going to subtract? Zoe.
I know.
Okay, give Zoe a second to look at it. You want some help, hun?
I can help her.
Yeah? Okay, Wyatt, help Zoe out. What are we going to subtract?
We're going to subtract 56 and 48.
So what's it going to look like?
56 minus 48 because 48 minus 56 is zero.
Good.
You just have to do
So who agrees? Who agrees?
Yes, and all of you.
Just raise your hand if you agree.
And I want to say something.
Oh! How do you call on you when you're doing that? Come on.
Cameron,
Jonah, you don't agree?
Cameron, sit down.
You agree? What do you agree with? 56 minus 48. Is that the numerical expression for number 8? Okay. Kat, you don't agree?
I do agree.
Okay, then your hand should be up in there.